The output from the stator on my Briggs and Stratton Vanguard model type 0411-01 motor is 24 vac. Should be 28 to 32 vac. I replaced the stator with a new one, but the output is the same measured right at the connector. Therefore, after it passes through the voltage regulator, my battery is not charging as the output from the voltage regulator is just 12 VDC. I replaced the stator and the voltage regulator, and still get only 12 VDC to the battery, which also happens to be brand new.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. Was the engine running at full speed when you did stator test, and unplugged from the regulator? What did the magnets and the flywheel look like? Any cracked or damaged, or loose? The magnets and the stator coil have to work together to produce the AC voltage.
The engine was at full speed and disconnected from the regulator. I checked across the two output pins from the regulated stator. I had cleaned the magnets on the rotor and they looked okay. I did not see any cracked, however they were slightly worn, from 25 years of use. I have an identical motor that does work. I guess I could take the rotor off of that one and put in on this one to see if that fixes the problem.
With you already changing the stator with no change, if you can swap flywheels for test, I would try.
So I have been looking online for replacement flywheels. No luck. Can you recommend a place to purchase one?
690,889 flywheel? Not sure why this one would not work. It is still available.
Where is it available at? Do you have a website?
Part Street, Sears, just do a Google search for the part number, there are plenty of them. Before I order one, I would contact the seller and be sure it has the ring gear.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.